The rail industry is dynamic, with flexible opportunities for anyone to advance and thrive. Take Fatima. She's 16 with hopes of becoming a successful engineer. Fatima could either get a Bachelor of Engineering degree or opt for a Level 6 apprenticeship to earn while she learns. Either way, with determination, she could climb the ladder towards senior roles and even one day become Director of Engineering. Zach's fresh out of school with dreams of driving trains. Though he can't begin training until his 21st birthday, he could work as, say, a passenger assistant or conductor until he's ready for a Level 2 apprenticeship. And after years of driving, if he's ready for a new challenge, he could step up, perhaps into management, operations, or training new drivers. Or switch tracks to another in-demand role: signalling, conservation, operations, project management, or customer service. With so many possible routes, where could a career in rail take you? Ready to get on track to your dream job? Think career. Think rail.